Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove sale badge from WooCommerce store. If you've been running promotions and now want to clean up your product pages, removing those sale badges can give your store a more streamlined, professional look. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open a browser and navigate to wordpress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store so you can access all the necessary settings and plugins. Once you're logged in, to remove sale badge from WooCommerce store, start by clicking on Plugins on the left navigation menu. This will expand to show you additional options related to managing your site's functionality. From the options that appear, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin repository where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your store. From the plugins page, you'll see all the plugins available to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here's where things get interesting. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in badge. This search will filter results to show plugins specifically designed for managing product badges. From the results, look for Product Badge Label Countdown Timer for WooCommerce Sale Booster. This plugin is specifically built to handle sale badges and promotional labels on your products. Click on the More Details button to see the overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. Take a moment to review what it offers and ensure it fits your needs. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. Keep in mind, it might take a while for the installation to finish, so be patient and let the process complete. Once the installation is done, you'll see the button change. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once your page refreshes, you'll notice a new menu item added to your left navigation panel. This is the Sale Booster menu, which gives you direct access to all badge management features. Click on Sale Booster to open the plugin's dashboard. From here, the process is pretty much straightforward and user-friendly. You'll see a list of all the badges you've added to your products over time. This list shows you exactly which badges are currently active on your store. To remove any badge, simply click on the trash bin icon or the delete button next to the badge you want to remove. This action will immediately remove the badge from your WooCommerce store, giving your product pages a cleaner appearance without those promotional labels. And that's it. You've successfully removed sale badges from your WooCommerce store, giving you full control over how your products are displayed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.